Now we'll quickly host the application on Heroku. So we have to write in the package.json a script start node index, and make sure in your index.js, and while you are mentioning the port, make sure you mention your port something like this process.n.port. Okay, and I think this is it. So you can download and install Heroku on your own. Create a new app, and you can write first server the is not available, 01 is available. Okay, so in your command line say git init and then git. So you would, so you also have to install git. You can install it yourself, and also make a file dot git ignore and write slash node underscore modules, because we don't need to send these files. Okay, since we are sending package.json and it has all the mentioned packages, we don't have to send the packages. Okay, and then you can do git add all and then git commit any message then, and after this you have to write this. So this will only work if you have Heroku installed on your computer. You can download Heroku download. You can download from here 64-bit installer, 32-bit installer, and similarly you can also download Git. Okay, so you can download Git from here. After this you can write Heroku git remote a for server, and then git push Heroku master. So this will take some time. Let it be. Let's test it. So our server is hosted, and now you can use it from anywhere. You can also use it on your mobiles. Okay, so this was it. Thank you. So you can see this code. I'll put a link in the description below. And if you have any doubts, ask in the comment, and I'll try to answer all of them.